Morning, sir.
Yes. When we are discussing about the lesson, we discussed adjective. Now I recall this adjective one more time. An adjective is a word. Children, if you have a notebook, it is better to note down in your notes. An adjective is a word which qualifies a noun. An adjective is a word which qualifies a noun is called an adjective. Qualifies a noun. Qualifies means explains. Brave Potter, short boy, long scale. You write all these books. You write all these words in your books. School bag, yellow car, white shirt. If you see here, what color of the shirt? What is the color of the shirt? White. Which bag are we discussing? Black. Which color of the bag we are discussing? School bag.
White, sir.
Okay, right. Long scale. What is the size of the scale? Long. White notebook. What is the book here? White notebook. All these are all telling about noun. Remember, children,
Sir.
adjective. Babu. Anybody doubt? Anybody? Okay, I'm moving, children. An adjective qualifies a noun. Here, we have compound adjective, children. Compound adjective. Here, I tell some words you write in your notebook, children. These words I have collected from the lesson Dear Departed One and Dear Departed Two children. First word, old-fashioned bureau. You write down in your notebook. Old-fashioned bureau. Old-fashioned bureau. Jolly little man. Jolly little man. Drunken old beggar. Drunken old beggar. Children, one more word. Reddish gray eyebrows. Reddish gray eyebrows. Suppose these four words you observe, children. Old-fashioned bureau, jolly little man, drunken old beggar, reddish gray eyebrows. Among these examples, I am taking first example, children. Old-fashioned bureau. How is the bureau here?
Old
Old
fashion. Old fashion.
and old fashioned.
Yes. Old-fashioned bureau. How is the bureau?
Old and fashioned.
Okay, I will come later. Okay, I will take your suggestions and I will discuss later. Jolly little man. How is the man here?
Jolly. Jolly.
Okay, I will come later. Drunken old beggar. How
Old.
is the beggar here?
Old baker. Old baker. Old and drunkard.
Reddish gray eyebrows. How are the
Reddish.
eyebrows here?
Reddish gray. Reddish gray.
Children, you come one more time, you observe very carefully. Old-fashioned bureau. How is the bureau here?
Old fashioned. Old fashioned.
Don't say one word, old. Old-fashioned.
Old fashioned.
How many words are coming in this adjective?
Two.
What are they?
Old fashioned.
Old
Fashioned.
and fashioned. Okay. Next, jolly little man. How is the man here?
Jolly little.
Two words are there. Jolly little. Drunken old beggar.
Drunken old.
Drunken
Old.
Both words are there. Reddish gray eyebrows. How are the eyebrows?
Reddish gray. Reddish gray.
Reddish gray. Now you see on the screen. Now you see on the screen. There are 4 examples. There are 4 examples, children. Among these 4 examples, you read the sentences. First, read the heading. Read the following sentences from your text and notice the underlined words. Here, notice means observe. Henry and Mrs. Slater stagger in with a pretty old-fashioned bureau. Next example. Mrs. Slater, Babu, some disturbance is coming. Please, self-unmute is important, children, here, if any disturbances are coming. Now you see, next example. Mrs. Slater rose briskly at length in our business-like tone. Next example. His bright eyes twinkled under his heavy reddish gray eyebrows. I do not be quite. Oh, I call it a double-faced behavior. Among these 4 examples, the underlined part you concentrate: old-fashioned, business-like, reddish gray, double-faced. Here you see that. How is the bureau? And a question veskunte, if we question, it comes the answer old-fashioned. How is the tone? If we question, the tone is like a business-like tone. How are the eyebrows? If we question, the answer comes reddish gray. Next, in the 4th example, how is the behavior? If we make a question, double-faced behavior. Children, do
Sir.
you understand here? Old-fashioned is an adjective. Oh, business-like is an adjective. Reddish eyes is reddish gray is an adjective. Double-faced is an adjective, children. But it
Sir.
is not an adjective simply. It is a compound adjective. Now you ask Rashekar.
Sir, first sentence lo Henry and Mrs. Slater Strager in with a pretty and one, sir.
Why don't we add this pretty word? Here you observe, my dear boy. Here you observe before old word. What is there?
Pretty.
Pretty and old. Between pretty and old, what do you have?
Comma.
A simple comma is there. Comma divided. That's why we are not taking into consideration. Arthamainda meeku, Babu? Here comma is dividing, but remaining words, comma is dividing, so that's why we have eliminated that pretty. Without comma, if the word is like that, pretty old-fashioned bureau, then it will become an adjective, compound adjective. Then it will become a compound adjective. Very good example. You have observed keenly. Comma is dividing there. That's why we are not taking that word. Old-fashioned. Business-like. Reddish gray and double-faced. Is it clear, children?
Yes,
The
sir.
next word is old-fashioned bureau. Bureau is noun. Tone. Tone is a noun. Eyebrows is a noun. And behavior is also a noun. Okay. Here, now you come and read the paragraph. The underlined words in the above 4 sentences are compound adjectives. In hyphened form. Hyphened form means, children, you have used that two words are divided with a small hyphen, or two words are combined with a small hyphen. Now he is describing what is a compound word. A compound adjective is an adjective. Compound word is an compound adjective also. It is a simple adjective, but that combines more than two words. It is important, like this here. More than two words. Sometimes it may be 3 words, sometimes 4 words also. But at least 2 words. The compound adjective is combined with at least 2 and more words also. And it has to work as an adjective, and used to link 2 words together with a hyphen, and they constitute one adjective. Here we cannot say old-fashioned bureau. Sir, here old is one adjective, fashion is one adjective. No. We don't say 2 adjectives are there for bureau. Here we have to accept that old-fashioned is a completely an adjective. Business-like, completely an adjective. Singular adjective only it is. Singular compound adjective. Reddish gray eyebrows. Here reddish gray is a single adjective. Double-faced behavior. Double-faced, this compound adjective is a single adjective, children. Yes. Now you see there was a matching here under this paragraph. Now we can simply make compound adjectives selecting from A and selecting from B. There are two sections are there here, list of A and list of B. Selecting the words from list A and list B, we can make some compound words, children. Now first I read the heading. Make a compound adjectives choosing one word from list A and another word from list B, and fill in the blanks with them. Here the question is, in list A some words are given and list B some words are given. We can make together list A words and list B words, and we can make a compound adjective, children. So here first, it is our duty to read list A words and list B words. I request you all read that list A words and list B words, children.
సార్ స్లైడ్ కొంచెం పైన జరపండి సార్ స్లైడ్.
Okay. Sir has given me option.
మౌస్
Plus
What plus రా?
రోల్ చేయమని అడిగాను సార్ సార్ మౌస్ లో.
రోల్ చేయమన్నాడు.
సార్ నేను చేస్తాలేండి. ఓకేనా?
కొంచెం మూవ్ చేయండి సార్.
చాలా
okay, sir.
Okay. Here, children, all of you read these words. Make it zoom. List A words are clear, new, old, for, curly, well, half, 5, peacock, long. List A words completed. List B. Last, sunk, head, blood, day, star, red, lay, blue, sight. Here, these are list B words. One compound adjective is given for you. The first word clear is in list A, and he mixed that word with sighted, clear side, SIGH. Here you can see this word only sight, clear sighted. He added a past tense. For situational sake, he added clear sight. You can say only clear sight only, but one more example, one more exercise we have to attempt in the next page. So that's why he has clearly mentioned clear sighted. Okay. Next, what is the second word? New.
New day. New blue. New day. New leader. New blue. Yes, sir.
I hope that there may be a chance of a new day chance is there. One more boy told new laid. This may be. Okay. First we discuss possible, then we go for final answers. Next, cold.
Cold plated.
In your social, in your social subject, you might come across this word, cold.
Blooded.
Cold blooded. This is 100% correct answer. You can write the answer. Okay. Next, 4.
Start.
Forehead.
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 Four.
Forehead.
Forehead. Forehead.
sir.
Okay, leave some time. Curly.
Headed.
Curly.
Curly lost.
Curly.
Curly
Blue.
lost.
Blue, sir.
Curly lost.
Curly
Curly.
okay.
Curly headed.
Okay, we discussed. Multiple answers come, we can discuss. Next, well.
Read. Well read.
Well read.
Well read. Next, half.
Half day. Half day.
Half day, sir.
Half cent. Half cent.
Half day.
5. FIV.
Five star.
Five star. Five star. Five star.
5 star is
Five
clear.
star. Five star.
Peacock.
Peacock laid.
Peacock.
Peacock laid. Laid. Peacock laid.
Blue.
Peacock.
Blue. Play.
Okay, long.
Long day. Long lost.
Long.
Long last.
Long
Okay,
lasting.
Long
children.
last.
Lasting. Long lasting.
Long last, sir.
Last 2 minutes of time. You can design.
Nada.
No talking. Only think. After times run out, for 2 minutes. Cold-blooded completed. 5 star completed.
Well reading completed.
Well read completed. You leave these 3. And remaining words you think.
Forehead answer, sir. Forehead.
Yes. Four. Now I come with 4. What is the suitable word from list B for 4?
Four day.
Nana, head is wrong answer.
4
Why?
days.
Because head comes for curly hair. Curly, for that word curly, the head comes, Nana.
4 days.
Curly, 4 days.
4
Curly
days.
headed. Both are completed here.
Yes, sir.
Children, do you understand? Do you follow me? Curly
Yes, sir.
completed, 4 completed. Okay. Next,
Half.
well
Completed.
read completed kada ide. Okay.
Half sunk.
Next, half, Nana.
Half sunk.
Sagam munigina.
Half sink. లేదా sunk. Half sunk is correct word. Half
Yes,
sunk. Next, 5.
5 star.
5 star complete, sir.
5-star hotel. 5-star hotel. Peacock.
Laid.
Peacock laid. Peacock. What is the color of shirt? Sir, it's peacock blue, sir.
Blue, sir. Peacock blue.
Peacock blue.
Blue peacock.
Peacock.
Long.
Last.
Here we have only 2 words.
Long
Laid.
last to long blood.
Last.
Long last to new blood.
Long last. LAST. Newly laid. New laid. Children, ఇక్కడ న్యూ అంటే లేడ్. ఆ లే అనే దానికి పాస్ట్ టెన్స్ చెప్పాను బాబు అంతే. ఇట్స్ నథింగ్. న్యూ లేడ్, కోల్డ్ బ్లడెడ్, 4 డే, కర్లీ హెడెడ్, వెల్ రెడ్, half sunk. All verbs are changed into past tense. 5-star, peacock blue, long lasted. Now sir, Babu sir. Children, all these words you write, compound adjectives you write in your book.
సార్
2
చెప్పండి.
minutes I go for next page. Sir, next page sir. Next page.
ఓకే.
Long view sir. Okay. Here children, first you write all these 10 compound adjectives in your notebook. And now we have to use those compound adjectives in these 10 examples. This is our task now. The first example is given for ourselves. The first example is Sindhu is very clear-sighted about her choice. Clear-sighted and very clear, that meaning. She has no doubt about her choice. They are going to shopping to buy new clothes for a festival. What type of clothes she has to buy? That is a confusion generally. But Sindhu does not have a confusion here. She has planned before going to the shop. I want to purchase this festival, this type of dress. In the same way, some children in our school also, they are very clear-sighted what to become in their life. Some children doesn't. If I ask, Ray Arun, Babu Arun, are you there in the class? Arun?
సార్ ఉన్నాడు
is-
సార్, రెస్పాండ్ కావట్లేదు. ఇప్పుడు ఇచ్చినట్టు.
Arun, what is your aim in your life? Arun,
చెప్పండి సార్.
what is your aim in your life?
చెప్పండి సార్. సార్ ఉన్నా సార్.
వాట్ ఈస్
What is your aim in your life?
సార్ ఉన్నా సార్.
వాట్ ఈస్ యువర్ ఎయిమ్? సార్ ఈస్ ఆస్కింగ్
సార్ వినిపిస్తుంది సార్, చెప్పండి సార్. సార్
వాట్ ఈస్ యువర్ ఎయిమ్? వాట్ ఈస్
My question, you have to listen my question and answer me. What is your aim in your life?
సాఫ్ట్వేర్
Software engineer. Okay. Bayanna, what is your aim?
సార్ ఐఏఎస్.
IAS. Okay. I go for Rajshekhar. What is your aim? Rajshekhar. Rajshekhar, what is your aim? Bharat, what is your aim?
Agriculture officer, sir.
Mohit, what is your aim?
sir.
Varun, what is your aim?
Software engineer, sir.
Sampath, what is your aim? Sampath? Like that, when I ask you, some children are telling correct answers. Sir, I want to become like this. That is called clear-sighted children. Clear-sighted. Some may say that, sir, I do not have any idea, sir. I will decide after 10th class, sir, after intermediate, sir. This is called confusion state. Clear-sighted means very clear. Next sentence, children. The headmaster, zoom yourself the sentence in your mobile phones. The headmaster suggested a dash trip to Hyderabad. Headmaster
4 days.
arranged a trip to Hyderabad. How many days
4
trip?
days.
Is it?
4 days.
Ah. Huh?
4 days.
You have to select
4
from
days.
the
4
10
days.
compound adjectives. What
4
is
days.
the compound adjective here? 4 days.
4 days.
Yes, children. Correct answer. Next. The dash girl who is under the tree is my sister.
Well
The
dressed.
dash girl who is under the tree is my sister.
Curly headed.
The curly head.
Curly headed.
సార్ రీటైన్ కావాలా?
ఒక 5 minutes సార్ అంతే. మీరేం ఇది
అవద్దు.
you can